Hi, I'm Brett with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about our Skyline Ultralight stool and chair. Weighing in at a pound and just over, the Skyline Ultralight stool and chair pack up small, assemble quickly, and give you the comfort you need to enjoy the backcountry spot you worked so hard to get to. The Skyline UL stool and chair feature a fully shock-corded, patented hubless frame design with simple setup and breakdown and compressed packability. The keyed frame on the Ultralight chair and color coding on both Ultralight chair and stool makes assembly easy enough for kids to help. Pre-bent poles on the Skyline UL chair create a wider, more stable seat with a smaller footprint. Our Skyline stool and chair are made with ultralight nylon ripstop for extra tear strength, paired with high tenacity Robic yarn that is ultralight and 25 to 30% stronger than regular yarn in the same denier. The ultralight aluminum aircraft pull system and waterproof coating on the fabric make this stool and chair super durable and extremely strong. The Skyline UL stool weighs 1 pound 1 ounce on the trail, sits 15 inches off the ground, and supports up to 250 pounds. The Skyline UL chair registers at 1 pound 11 ounces trail weight, sits 15 inches off the ground, and has a 275 pound weight capacity. Both pack up incredibly small. While the rest of your crew is sitting in the dirt, you'll be reaping the reward of carrying that extra pound when you're relaxed to the max off the ground in superior comfort.